My name is Nuno Lopes. I'm the operations director for Archies. I've been in the business for 4 years. We are in Truffle Palazzo at Archies that opened in 2023, so we've been open now for over a year now. Manchester founded company, been operating for the last 14 years. This is one of our 10 stores based in Northwest, but we have stores in Leeds, Manchester, Liverpool and Birmingham. We already had a store in the Truffle Centre. This is our second store, but in the Truffle Palazzo, that is more of a leisure complex. The main focus for Archies is burger, shakes and waffles, that we want to serve the best burger, the best shake and the best waffles in the country. In Archies, we served 1 million burgers last year. Frying is a very important process of our business. We currently have between 5 to 7 fryers in each restaurant to cope with the demand. In this unit, we'll have 5 fryers. That takes around 30 litres per fryer, so the consumption of oil per week is quite high. Due to the high consumption of oil in our business, when I go to expositions, I always look for new technologies to improve quality and to try to save some money at the same time. That's when I met Sean in one of our expositions in London. He introduced me to his business and how OiLChef could improve the quality of my product and save money at the same time. I had advertised some big claims. I didn't want to doubt it, but I wanted some proof, some real proof. And that's when we started working together to do an experiment for a month. We put it like for like against our older fryers that we didn't have the OiLChef, and we've seen a reduction of the consumption of oil by 50%, while we could improve the quality at the same time. We cook it at a lower temperature, we reduce the cooking time of the product and maintain the quality. That's what's the most important to us. We decided to roll it out to all our fryers in our units. Currently, we have 50 OiLChefs in our units across the company. Every time we will open a new unit, we will integrate that OiLChef into our fryers. After installing OiLChef, we've noticed that we could reduce the temperature by 10 to 15 degrees and reducing the cooking time by a couple of minutes per item. We'd change our chicken fryers oil every single day, and with the OiLChef now we change twice a week. With the OiLChef, we to save thousands of pounds in oil per year across every single restaurant. Since using OiLChef, we've noticed a big savings in oil, improve on our quality, and I'm really glad that I met Sean in that expo 1 year ago.